Adjustable backlight button. Available in multiple powers and colors. Sealed body, not afraid of water washing. Ground straight pipe installation. Ground rack installation. Can install 4-head or 6-head racks. Ceiling 4-head or 6-head bracket installation. Fixed to the wall with screws. Hang the lamp from the ceiling using a hook. Can be installed in outdoor courtyards or in parks. Automatically lights up when people approach. Automatically adjusts the brightness of the light.